Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the crucial topic of the top 10 retirement mistakes to avoid for more income and security. Planning for retirement is a significant milestone in everyone's life, and avoiding common pitfalls can make a substantial difference in your financial well-being during your golden years. In this video, we'll provide you with valuable insights and actionable tips to help you navigate the complexities of retirement planning. By steering clear of these common mistakes, you can enhance your financial stability and ensure a comfortable retirement lifestyle. Whether you're just starting your retirement planning journey or looking to optimize your current strategy, this video is packed with essential information to guide you towards a more secure financial future. Stay tuned to discover how you can safeguard your retirement income and set yourself up for a worry-free retirement. Mistake 1. Neglecting to save early. One of the most common retirement mistakes is neglecting to save early. By delaying your retirement savings, you're missing out on the powerful benefits of compound interest. Starting to save early allows your money to grow exponentially over time, maximizing your retirement income potential. The consequences of not saving for retirement early can be significant. Delaying retirement savings can result in a smaller nest egg, leading to financial insecurity and a lower standard of living in your later years. It's crucial to understand the long-term financial implications of procrastinating on saving for retirement. To avoid this mistake, start saving for retirement today. Even small contributions can make a big difference over time. Consider setting up automatic contributions to your retirement accounts and take advantage of employer-sponsored retirement plans. By taking proactive steps now, you can secure a more financially stable future for yourself. Mistake 2. Ignoring retirement accounts. Ignoring retirement accounts is a common mistake that can have a significant impact on your future income and security. It's essential to actively manage your retirement accounts to maximize their potential benefits. There are various types of retirement accounts available, such as 401ks, IRAs, and Roth IRAs, each offering unique tax advantages and investment options. Understanding the differences between these accounts can help you make informed decisions about where to allocate your savings. Fees and investment choices can also play a crucial role in the growth of your retirement savings. High fees and poor investment decisions can eat into your returns over time, reducing the overall value of your nest egg. By carefully selecting low-cost investment options and monitoring fees, you can optimize your retirement account performance. To avoid this mistake, regularly review and adjust your retirement account contributions and investments to align with your financial goals. Consider consulting with a financial advisor to develop a personalized retirement strategy that maximizes your income and security in retirement. Mistake 3. Underestimating healthcare costs. Underestimating healthcare costs is a critical mistake that can derail your retirement plans. Healthcare expenses can have a significant impact on your retirement income, especially as you age and may require more medical care. It's essential to plan for healthcare expenses in retirement by understanding the potential costs and incorporating them into your financial strategy. Health insurance and long-term care planning are crucial components of a comprehensive retirement plan, helping to protect your savings from being depleted by unexpected medical bills. To avoid underestimating healthcare costs, consider estimating and budgeting for these expenses in advance. Research typical healthcare costs for retirees, factor in potential inflation, and explore options for supplemental insurance coverage. By proactively planning for healthcare expenses, you can safeguard your retirement income and ensure a more secure financial future. Mistake 4. Relying solely on Social Security. Relying solely on Social Security for retirement income is a common mistake that can leave you financially vulnerable in your golden years. While Social Security benefits can provide a valuable source of income, they may not be sufficient to cover all your expenses in retirement. It's crucial to understand the limitations of Social Security benefits, including potential future changes that could impact your payments. To ensure financial security in retirement, it's essential to diversify your income sources and not rely solely on Social Security. Consider alternative income strategies, such as building a retirement savings nest egg through employer-sponsored plans like 401ks or IRAs, investing in real estate, or starting a side business. By diversifying your income streams, you can supplement your Social Security benefits and create a more robust financial foundation for your retirement years. Mistake 5. Failing to adjust investment risk. Failing to adjust investment risk as retirement approaches can have a significant impact on your income and security in retirement. As you near retirement, it's crucial to shift to a more conservative investment approach to protect your savings from market volatility and ensure a stable income stream. Maintaining high-risk investments in retirement can expose your portfolio to unnecessary fluctuations and potential losses, jeopardizing your financial security. By rebalancing your investment portfolio and transitioning to lower-risk assets, you can mitigate risk and preserve your wealth as you enter retirement. To avoid this mistake, regularly review and adjust your investment strategy to align with your retirement timeline and financial goals. Consider working with a financial advisor to develop a personalized investment plan that balances risk and return to optimize your retirement readiness. Mistake 6. Overlooking tax planning. Overlooking tax planning can be a costly mistake when it comes to maximizing retirement income and security. Understanding the tax implications of different retirement accounts and income sources is essential for optimizing your tax strategy in retirement. Different retirement accounts, such as traditional IRAs, Roth IRAs, and employer-sponsored plans, have varying tax treatments that can impact your overall tax liability in retirement. By strategically planning your withdrawals and distributions from these accounts, you can minimize taxes and maximize your after-tax income. To reduce tax liabilities and optimize tax savings in retirement, consider implementing tax-efficient strategies like Roth conversions, managing capital gains, and utilizing tax deductions and credits available to retirees. By incorporating tax planning into your overall retirement strategy, you can enhance your financial security and make the most of your retirement income. Mistake 7. Not having a withdrawal strategy. Not having a structured withdrawal strategy can jeopardize your retirement income sustainability. Ad hoc withdrawals and overspending in retirement can deplete your savings faster than anticipated, putting your financial security at risk. One critical risk to be aware of is the sequence of returns risk, where poor investment performance early in retirement can have a lasting impact on your portfolio's longevity. Having a well-thought-out withdrawal strategy can help mitigate this risk and ensure a steady income stream throughout your retirement years. Examples of withdrawal strategies include the 4% rule, systematic withdrawals, and bucketing strategies, each offering unique benefits for retirement income planning. By implementing a withdrawal strategy tailored to your financial goals and risk tolerance, you can better manage your retirement savings and maintain a sustainable income for the long term. Mistake 8. Underestimating longevity risk. Underestimating longevity risk can have profound implications for your retirement income and security. Longevity risk refers to the possibility of outliving your retirement savings due to longer than expected life expectancy. As life expectancies continue to rise, the likelihood of living longer in retirement has increased, posing significant financial challenges for retirees. Planning for a longer retirement horizon is crucial to ensure that you have enough income to support your lifestyle throughout your golden years. To manage longevity risk and safeguard your income sustainability, consider strategies such as purchasing longevity insurance, delaying Social Security benefits, and maintaining a diversified investment portfolio. By preparing for the possibility of a longer retirement, you can better protect your financial well-being and enjoy a comfortable retirement lifestyle. Mistake 9. Neglecting estate planning. Neglecting estate planning can have far-reaching consequences on your retirement income and security. Estate planning involves more than just creating a will. It encompasses strategies to protect your assets and ensure a smooth transfer of wealth to your heirs. Wills, trusts, and beneficiary designations play a crucial role in estate planning, allowing you to specify how your assets should be distributed and who should inherit them. Failing to have a comprehensive estate plan can lead to probate delays, disputes among family members, and unnecessary taxes that can erode your wealth. To protect your assets and secure your legacy, it's essential to work with an estate planning attorney to develop a personalized plan that aligns with your wishes and financial goals. By proactively addressing estate planning considerations, you can safeguard your retirement income and provide for your loved ones in the future. Mistake 10. Failing to seek professional advice. Failing to seek professional advice for retirement planning can be a costly mistake that hinders your financial security in retirement. Working with financial advisors, tax professionals, and estate planners can provide invaluable expertise and guidance to help you navigate the complexities of retirement planning. Financial advisors can assist in creating a personalized retirement strategy tailored to your goals and risk tolerance, while tax professionals can help optimize your tax efficiency and minimize liabilities. Estate planners can ensure that your assets are protected and distributed according to your wishes. When selecting professionals to assist with retirement planning, consider their qualifications, experience, and communication style. Look for professionals who prioritize your best interests and have a track record of success in helping clients achieve their retirement goals. By seeking professional advice, you can avoid costly mistakes and set yourself up for a more secure financial future. From saving early and managing retirement accounts to tax planning and seeking professional advice, each step plays a vital role in shaping your retirement journey. Proactive retirement planning is key to avoiding common pitfalls and ensuring a stable financial foundation for your golden years. By taking action now and making informed decisions, you can set yourself up for a more secure and fulfilling retirement. Don't wait to start planning for your future. Subscribe to our channel for more retirement tips and explore related content to deepen your understanding of retirement planning strategies. Remember, the choices you make today can have a lasting impact on your financial well-being tomorrow. Start planning for a secure retirement today.